Hello, in front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can wake up the screen by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called the date and time and select it. And here we have the date and time settings. And if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to turn off the automatic date and time option. And once you turn it off, you can scroll down. And here you should see options called set date and set time. First, let's tap on set date. And now we can change the date by swiping up and down on the numbers to change the day. Then we can swipe left, change the month. Then we can swipe left and change the year. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. Next we have the time. So let's tap on set time, change the hours, tap on minutes, change the minutes, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, so that's how you change the date and time. You can also change the time zone, so you can scroll up, turn off the automatic time zone, scroll down, and you should see the option set time zone. You can tap on it and select the time zone from the list, like this. And one more thing you can do is to turn on or off the option to use the 24-hour format. If you turn it off, you will have the 12-hour format, and if you turn it on, it will be 24-hour format. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.